Hey everyone, how are you? Wait, let me guess. You probably just thought, I'm fine, thank you. And you, am I right? It's what we all learn in our textbooks, but let's be real, native speakers almost never say that. If you want to sound more natural and really connect with people, it's time to upgrade your response. So today, let's explore some amazing alternatives to I'm fine. First up, the casual, everyday responses. If you're genuinely doing well, you can say something like, pretty good, or can't complain. These are super common and friendly. Another great one is, doing well, thanks. It's simple, positive, and perfect for almost any situation, from talking to a barista to chatting with a coworker. If you're feeling fantastic, you can say never better. It adds a little bit of energy and enthusiasm to the conversation. Now, what if things aren't so great? We all have those days, and it's okay to be honest without oversharing. You could say, I'm getting by, or I've been better. These are polite ways to signal that you might be having a tough time. Another common one is, oh, same old, same old. This is perfect for when life is just normal, nothing exciting, nothing terrible, just the usual routine. It's a very relatable and natural response. Let's also think about how to make the conversation more engaging. Instead of just answering, you can add a little detail. For example, if someone asks how you are, you could say, I'm doing great, actually. Just got back from a really nice walk, or a little tired. Been a busy week, but I'm hanging in there. See how that opens the door for a real conversation. It gives the other person something to respond to, like, oh, where did you go for a walk? Or, I know what you mean. This week has been crazy. So, let's recap. 4 good days. Try pretty good. Can't complain, or never better, for so-so or tough days. You can use I'm getting by, I've been better, or same old. Same old, and remember, adding a small detail can turn a simple greeting into a genuine connection. Next time someone asks, how are you? Challenge yourself to use one of these new phrases. You'll be surprised at how much more natural and fluent you sound. It's these small changes that make a huge difference in your English-speaking journey. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips on how to speak English like a native. See you in the next video.